Have you ever questioned the nature of your reality? Is the universe as we perceive it truly real? Welcome to our journey into the mind-bending realm of reality and perception. We stand on the precipice of understanding, peering into the chasm of the unknown, where the line between science and philosophy blurs. We question the nature of our existence and the fabric of the universe itself, pondering whether what we perceive as reality is indeed real, or merely an illusion. Reality, as we know it, is a construct of our senses. We see, hear, touch, taste, and smell the world around us, and our brains interpret these stimuli to create our perceived reality. But what if this perception is flawed? What if our senses are merely decoding an intricate simulation or a complex holographic projection? Many philosophers and scientists are now entertaining these possibilities, suggesting that our universe might not be as real as we believe. This idea, though seemingly far-fetched, is grounded in theories from quantum physics to computer science, each contributing a piece to the puzzle of our potentially simulated or holographic universe. Consider for a moment the advancements in virtual reality and artificial intelligence. We're able to create immersive virtual worlds that feel nearly as real as our own. Now project this technological progression forward by thousands or even millions of years. Could an advanced civilization have the capability to create a universe simulation so realistic that its inhabitants believe it to be true reality? Similarly, the holographic principle suggests that our three-dimensional world might be a projection from a two-dimensional plane, much like a hologram. This principle, born from string theory, proposes that all the information in our universe can be contained on a two-dimensional surface, challenging our traditional understanding of space and reality. So, let's delve into this mind-bending concept and explore the theories that suggest our universe might not be real. As we embark on this journey, remember to question everything. For in the realm of reality and perception, nothing is as it seems. What if I told you everything you know could be a simulation? A jarring proposition, isn't it? But that's exactly what the simulation hypothesis suggests. This theory, as outlandish as it may seem, proposes that we might just be inhabitants of an incredibly advanced computer simulation, created by a civilization far more technologically advanced than ours. Now you might be wondering, how could our complex, vibrant reality be reduced to mere ones and zeros? Well, the answer lies in the nature of our universe itself. To understand this, we need to delve into the concept of digital physics. This is the idea that our universe, in its most fundamental form, is digital. It's an assertion that everything in the universe, from the smallest subatomic particle to the vast galaxies sprawling across the cosmos, can be broken down into binary code. Think about it. Our computers work on the principle of binary code, a series of ones and zeros, and they can create incredibly detailed and immersive virtual realities. Now imagine a civilization billions of years ahead of us in terms of technology. It's not too far-fetched to think they could simulate an entire universe, is it? But why would such an advanced civilization want to create a simulation like ours? Well, there could be several reasons. They might want to study their own history, test theories, or even play God. The possibilities are virtually endless, and so are the implications of this hypothesis. However, the simulation hypothesis is not without its critics. Some argue that it is untestable and therefore not scientifically valid. Others believe that it is impossible to simulate the complexity of our universe down to every last detail. But despite these criticisms, the simulation hypothesis continues to intrigue scientists and philosophers alike. It challenges our understanding of reality and forces us to question the very nature of our existence. So, if the universe is a simulation, are we just lines of code in an advanced cosmic program? A chilling thought indeed, but remember, whether we are part of a grand simulation or not, our experiences and our lives hold value. After all, as the saying goes, the beauty of the universe is not in the atoms that compose it, but in the way those atoms are put together. Imagine a universe where three dimensions could be an illusion. Sounds like a science fiction movie plot, right? But it's actually a theory proposed by physicists, and it's known as the holographic principle. This mind-bending principle suggests that we might be living in a universe where our perception of three dimensions is nothing more than a holographic projection of data encoded on a two-dimensional surface. The holographic principle is a product of the fascinating world of quantum physics. Quantum physics, with its eerie concepts like superposition and entanglement, already challenges our everyday understanding of reality. The holographic principle takes it a step further, suggesting that our whole universe might be a kind of quantum illusion. The idea works like this. Imagine you're watching a 3D movie. The images seem to have depth and volume, but they're actually just projections from a 2D film. According to the holographic principle, our universe could be similar. What we perceive as volume could just be information encoded on a 2D boundary, like the edge of the universe. But what supports this outlandish idea? The answer lies in the dark mysteries of black holes. When something falls into a black hole, it seems to disappear from our universe. But the information about what fell in, its mass, charge, spin, is preserved on the black hole's event horizon, the boundary around the black hole from which nothing can escape. This is known as the black hole information paradox, and it's one of the key pieces of evidence supporting the holographic principle. Now, it's important to note that the holographic principle is still a theory. It's an idea that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our perception of reality. It's a concept that, if proven, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, could we be living in a giant, cosmic hologram then? The answer to that question might be more complex and fascinating than any science fiction story ever told. What if our universe is just one of many, existing in a vast multiverse? Now, that's a question that tickles the imagination, doesn't it? Let's dive into the depths of this cosmic possibility. The multiverse theory is a bold and tantalizing proposition. It suggests that our universe, with its billions of galaxies, is not unique. Instead, it floats like a bubble in a cosmic ocean of countless other universes, each with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and even time. Imagine the enormity and the diversity. This theory is not just a product of wild imagination. There's a solid scientific basis for it, rooted in the strange world of quantum mechanics. You see, quantum mechanics is notorious for its oddities and paradoxes. One such oddity is the concept of quantum superposition. Quantum superposition tells us that a particle can exist in multiple states at once until observed. It's like flipping a coin that's both heads and tails until you catch it. Now, apply this idea to the entire universe. What if every event that could happen does happen in its own separate universe? Every choice you make, every roll of the dice, could spawn a new universe. The possibility is infinite, and so is the number of universes. But what does this mean for us? Well, if the multiverse theory holds true, then there could be countless versions of you and me, living out every conceivable life scenario in parallel universes. There could be a universe where you're a rock star, or perhaps a world-renowned scientist, or even a spacefaring adventurer. The possibilities are as endless as the multiverse itself. Of course, we're still a long way from proving the existence of a multiverse. But the very thought of it is enough to make us wonder about our place in the grand scheme of things. It's a reminder that reality might be much stranger and more complex than we can comprehend. So, are there multiple versions of us living in parallel universes? Well, in the realm of quantum mechanics and multiverse theory, anything's possible. We've journeyed through mind-bending theories and questioned our very existence. Let's take a moment to recap this fantastical voyage into the depths of unreality. Firstly, we delved into the simulation hypothesis. This thought-provoking proposition suggests that our universe might be nothing more than a sophisticated computer program, a digital reality crafted by a higher intelligence. It's a concept that takes the phrase, "life's a game," to a whole new level. If this hypothesis holds true, it provokes us to reconsider our understanding of existence and consciousness. Next, we ventured into the realm of the holographic principle. This principle posits that our reality is a three-dimensional projection of information encoded on a distant, two-dimensional surface. It's as if we're living inside a giant hologram, with our 3D world arising from 2D information. This notion challenges not only our perception of space and time, but also the very fabric of our reality. Finally, we explored the multiverse theory, a concept that suggests our universe is but one among a potentially infinite number of universes. Each of these universes could have different physical laws, different outcomes, different realities. This theory expands our perspective beyond our own universe, introducing a cosmic lottery of infinite possibilities. These theories, as outlandish as they may seem, force us to reevaluate our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. They question the nature of existence and reality, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. They remind us that the universe we inhabit is far more complex and mysterious than we could ever comprehend. Whether reality is as we perceive it, a simulation, a hologram, or one of many realities, it's clear that the nature of the universe is a mystery we're still unraveling. Until next time, keep questioning the nature of your reality.